What's up, Copperwoods? We're here in Traverse City, Missouri now. And what kind of airport, has a Hobie kayak? So this is kind of cool here. We've got our fly rod here. We flew it in, had our makeshift kind of tape, and we made it all the way here. And we've got some really cool stuff we're going to be able to do while we're up here visiting my dad, and let's get right into it. Alright guys, we just landed in Traverse City, Michigan. Check out some of the scenery while we head to Petoskey. It's rolling waves. We made a few stops on our way to check out the swinging bridge as well as Boyne Resorts. So that concluded day one as we played tourist around Michigan. Now we're going to get right into fishing. Alright, this is day one of fishing. I flew in my 6-weight fly rod, a lot smaller than what most people use for these giant fish. We pulled up to this place right in the middle of Petoskey to check out what they kind of have, and I saw some absolute monsters. What you're about to see next is insane, and I gave it my best shot.
These dudes would be pissed if you get down in there, but you know one guy I saw catches him?
Huh?
He crawls down underneath and fishes underneath the rig.
I will.
I'll tell you where to go, yeah. Dude,
I'm going to stay up on top first because I'm going to target the big. I'm only going
the big
for.
ones are coming in. Where do you think they're all coming?
No, I'm just going to go look. Oh, he's got a nice one. Close to the road. There's some giants. Those are some giants. That's a monster. I think he's hooked in the tail though. Oh, that's a huge fish. Okay.
You gotta keep them like right on this side.
I'm trying. So I was unaware that there's a spillway underneath this bridge, and if this fish gets underneath it, it's completely lost. So I had to put a lot of pressure, and I was afraid I was going to break my line. There's no turning this fish. I think he's over. I feel. Yeah, do you want to hold this and I'll go get him? So at this point, this fish completely went down the spillway, and I made a last-ditch effort to grab this net, run over, and try to catch him downstream.
Oh. At this point, the fish had broke the line, and it was history. First king salmon gone. You're probably wondering why so many fish are staged up here. Well, each fall, this river becomes the stage of one of nature's most incredible events, the king salmon and coho salmon run. These powerful fish were both introduced into the Great Lakes in the 1960s, where they leave the depths of the Lake Michigan and battle the river's rapids to reach the spawning grounds. The king salmon is known for its sheer size and strength, as well as the coho salmon is known for its breathtaking display of colors. You can actually see a couple coho right to the left in that ball. They're the more colorful ones. And the king salmon are the main ones that are big.
There was 4 or 5 females like right here on the. I'll tell you what that means. Like,
Got him. Nice fish. Nice fish. Right? See him? I'll try to pull him up. It looks so easy just to pull these fish up, but you have no idea fighting these big beasts on the fly rod, especially with it being a 6 weight. These fish are just giant and have so much weight, and they do not want to go in the net. Hey, let me back up. I'm Come on, kid. I'm trying. He's throwing it. Oh! He's tail wrapped now.
yeah. Well, then pull him in if you can.
I can't. That's a bad. Oh, here we go. 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 No. Ah, here, hold this. Oh. Hold the rod. This fish did yet what the last one did, and I was determined this time to not let this fish get away. Yep, and get ready. Here goes the walk of shame. In one's fin. Thank the Lord that pulled out. Got him. Right there. Ah! This is my 3rd swing and a miss. This one yet been out my hook. Now it's time for me to try something different, and luckily the locals helped me out.
Holy shit, it did been That's you were fishing brown trout.
Yeah.
You do that to a brown trout, it's like, no way.
Right. Dang it.
And bring it back through again. Twist it around here. Just so you.
Okay. Okay. Hey, don't move that. Don't bash that down yet. Just in case it's so wonky.
It's guaranteed.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Again if we need to.
And sure enough, he wasn't kidding. It was a guarantee. Sorry. The funny thing about fishing, no matter how long you've been doing it for, you always find a way to humble yourself. Here's me pulling a rookie move and literally hooking this new bait this local gave me in a tree.
I know, that's some no shit, boy. Oh, you've been gifted.
All right, I'm gonna pick him up. He's.
You think you pick him up? It's still tight to it, man. You don't get no further than this, dude. Don't get
Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Is that too old to eat yet? No, that's a good one. Okay, so you want to keep him to eat then?
Yeah.
Let's make sure it's in the mouth. I think it is. Oh, it's right under it.
So in the state of Michigan, you have to hook the salmon directly in the mouth. Unfortunately, this hook was right in the bottom, and so we weren't able to legally keep him. So we had to get to throw this big female coho back to spawn.
Nice fish, dude. That's a good looking fish.
Yeah. Oh, that was, yeah.
It's crazy. How long after this they're all dying, right? Or is it different in Michigan than it is other ones?
There'll be another runner.
Dude, this one's huge. And I got him, he's hooked in a bad spot. There we go. So this fish was hooked in the tail. Luckily it popped off. Big one, big one, big one. He ate it too. Yep. Come on! No! This is the one right here. This is the, I'm playing this out. He's big. All right, Dad. Come on, baby. That's the one. That's the one right there, guys. All the way to Michigan for this one right here. I'm gonna come to this. This is a beast. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes!
Good.
Oh my gosh! Oh my!
To the right.
Oh my gosh!
Nice fish. Awesome. Good job.
Wow! Let's go!
Dude.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go, baby! Look at that fish. This fish was caught legally, but we're gonna let it go to spawn.
You're way back up there. Unless they're real strong earlier in the season, then you can just release them and they'll go straight up. It depends on the fish, how strong they are.
Yeah. So kind of how does this work? So once you catch a giant, is the king salmon, right?
Yeah.
Once you catch a giant king, you're supposed to let them go up here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they spawn, because you can see fish up there.
Yeah.
They're all spawning in there.
Okay. That makes
They're
sense.
spawning down here too.
Okay.
You know, they're down here.
So they're still getting...
Oh yeah, they're spawning in both areas, but they, you know, up here.
I just didn't want to keep that big of a fish because I want the eggs to go back. Right or no?
You know?
Is that fish going to die?
Yes.
Really? So they come up here and just spawn and that's it?
That's it. That's all they get.
That's insane. That was cool.
That's why
I was twitching and I just saw her just...
you had the
If
perfect
you don't-
weight and everything just dripping it in there. You're catching
Yeah.
all day long doing it.
If you don't hook them in the mouth, you're not catching them.
That's right.
Yeah.
You're not.
Yeah.
I mean, you can still catch. I mean, still.
You'll catch a
There's
few.
plenty of really good fishermen that still hook them in the back all day long.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's nothing.